Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a really nice enhancement to our e-commerce component. You guys are all familiar with the e-commerce solution that we've got. It's a really great tool. Again, honestly, speaking this because I'm doing, telling you from experience, I've used Shopify. This blows Shopify out of the water. Shopify is great if you want to open up, a single, sell a couple of items and put some stuff there. I mean, it's great for if you want to expand your business too. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not that it's a bad platform, but it out of the box, you've got really nothing to play with. This is a solution that you're getting a complete business in a box that you can run your entire business with right out of the box. There's no extra costs, there's no extra charges. It comes all packaged into one system. This is the back end of the e-commerce component that we've got, and the front end is the shop here. So, this is the shop. Keep in mind, all this stuff is manageable. All the images here and the content, it's all manageable. If I click on men's, for example, you can see the content we've got here. These are all, this is a live store, right? So it's functioning fantastic, works great. So from this, we now have the completed e-commerce or m-commerce, if you want to call it, component that is native to the app. So this is a native part of the app, and what you're seeing in the app is a reflection of what's on the website, but it's a different UI than what you see on the website. So you got the slider images floating across the top here. These are the same slider images that were on the front end of the website. You got all your categories here. You've got popular items. You've got your products, your brands. So searching by brand here, these images are all, obviously manageable. You can put your own images here. Let me see if I can find a brand here. So I'll click on the brand here, Macaj. You can see different items. It's a really great UI here. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to put something in my cart just to show you the process here. Let's pick this jacket. And you can see you've got the images, multiple images here. You've got multiple colors you can select from, black and blue, and your sizing is over here. So if I wanted to add this to my cart, just add it to my cart there. Boom, it's been added, and now I can continue shopping, or I can go and check out. Check out from my cart right here. You can see this is the cart button here. So now I can, increase my quantities. I can delete the item here. It shows you your subtotal, or you can proceed to checkout, which I'm doing. You can billing address, shipping address. This is just a dummy account that I created here, and continue. You've got multiple shipping options, flat rate. You can create more. There's two here. Pick up the location. So I'm going to select that, and then you go to your credit card, continue, and if you had a promo code, you could put that in here at this time. Place the order, and it goes to a really cool UI for the card. I can enter my card number, 4242, and it's hiding the digit so you can't see it there, which is nice. And then you've got your expiry date. It's a really seamless process, which is what I'm trying to say. Works fantastic. I love the UI. I'm going to go back to my home here. Just going to back out of this. And just again, quick overview of the UI here. It looks fantastic. It's functioning. This is live in the platform now. One thing you'll notice is that now to build the APKs and the AAB files for Google, it takes a little longer. It's between 7 and 8 minutes, I've been told. And so just keep that in mind. It's because of this component that we've added to the platform. Once you've built the app, you can just turn it on or off if you want to use it or not. In the back office, it's called, let me just go to that. So in the back office, it's going to be called e-commerce 2, I believe. Here it is, e-commerce 2.0. This is the app component of it. So you can turn it on. But in order to get this whole thing, you've got to reach out to me. I've got to turn it on for you guys, because this is not something that we've released. We released in the platform that you can just turn on. This is going to be a premium feature down the road at some point, but right now, it's at no charge to anyone. So you just let me know, and I'll turn it on for any one of your locations. Again, it's a fantastic little product, and it's a selling tool. It's a way for your customers to monetize their apps. It's no longer just an app that they can provide a rewards program or a location and stuff like that. Now you've got something tangible where you can make money with it. This should really be a great selling tool for all of us. As usual, if any comments, please do not hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.